Have you ever caught yourself thinking, I'm not good enough, or I always mess things up? It feels so real in the moment, almost like your mind is convincing you of a painful truth. But what if those thoughts aren't facts, just stories your mind has learned to tell? Today, in our Peaceful Mind series, we'll learn how to challenge negative thoughts and replace them with balanced, realistic ones, using tools from cognitive behavioral therapy. In our last video, we explored the ABCs of CBT, activating event, belief, and consequence. We learned that it's not the event that creates our emotions, but our beliefs about that event. Now, we take the next step, learning to question those beliefs so they lose their power over us. Let's say your belief is, I failed once, so I'll fail again. When that thought appears, pause and challenge it. Ask yourself 3 questions. First, is this thought 100% true? Second, is there any evidence against it? And third, what would I say to a friend who thought this way? When you examine your thoughts like this, something powerful happens. Your brain shifts from reacting emotionally to thinking rationally. You begin to see the thought for what it is. Just a mental habit, not a fact. Let's look at another example. Sarah. After making a mistake at work, her automatic thought was, I'm a failure, but she challenged it. She asked herself, have I succeeded before? Yes. Would I say this to a friend? Of course not. What's a more balanced way to see it? Maybe I made a mistake, but I can learn from it. By challenging her thought, she didn't just change her mood, she changed her relationship with her mind. Every time you challenge a negative thought, you're rewiring your brain for peace. Remember, you are not your thoughts, you are the observer of them. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who overthinks, and subscribe for the next episode of our Peaceful Mind series, where we'll explore how to build positive thinking habits that last.